What vegetables to sow in March in spring? It's the most exciting month in the gardener's calendar. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everyone, and we're going to go through what seeds to sow this month in March. Now spring is in the air, and yep, you'll have seen plenty of videos of me saying not to sow any seeds and to wait until it gets warmer. Now is the time to go. So let's get our notepads, make a list of all the seeds that you can sow this month, hit the save button so that you can come back to it, and let's tell you what exciting things we can sow this month. So if you are down south in the UK, you can sow these outside straight into the ground. However, I'm up north and I recommend totally, to be honest, sowing these actually in the greenhouse, but these are the ones that you can sow outdoors if you want to risk it. These are carrots. If you're up north, you might want to use clochers to keep them warm and to help with the germination. Now parsnips, they require a long time to germinate. They can take a while, so time to sow your parsnips. I'm going to grow them for the first time this year. I've never grown them before, so I'm excited to give them a try and get sowing them. I'm going to sow them in my greenhouse where it's a bit warmer, and yeah, hopefully speed up the germination. Next up is beetroot. Again, a good cropper, and it's good to do successional sowing, which means sow some every couple of weeks or months and you'll keep getting a harvest all the way through summer. So that is a perfect one. Radish, one of the fastest growing vegetables. You can be harvesting it in 6 to 12 weeks and getting a great crop. Either sow the radish outside in the ground or start it off in a greenhouse where it's a bit warmer to speed up the germination, and then plant them out when they're big enough. I'm going to grow some in the polytunnel now that I've got all my raised beds, and yeah, hopefully get a good harvest in the polytunnel. Next up is spinach, another good one for successional growing. Sow some every few weeks and you can keep harvesting it all the way through summer into autumn. Another great one is spring onion. Now they are very easy to grow. Now what my dad does, he grows them in those pots what disintegrate as they get wet. Sows a few seeds in each one and then plants the pot into the ground and keeps them in clumps. Now they grow good in a clump of spring onion. You don't have to separate them, so either sow them in them or sow them straight into the ground so that you don't have to transplant them. And yeah, a great crop, and you can get red ones as well, and I'm going to grow them as well for the first time this year, so that'll be exciting. Next up are peas. Now the variety that you're looking for is early onward. Now they can be sown straight into the ground or grow them in some guttering and transplant them straight into the ground. If you've seen the videos on guttering, you put them into some guttering and then you just swipe them off into the trench in the ground, which is a great thing to do. If you're sowing them straight into the ground, protect them because the birds will pinch them, the rats and the mice will find them, and yeah, just protect them until they've started growing. And next up are broad beans. Again, they can be directly sown into the ground, and again protect them from the birds, the mice and the rats because they will find them and eat them. Next up are seeds to sow indoors. Now I've got an unheated greenhouse, so I don't have no heaters in there, and I start all my seeds off in March and I have a great success in there. Sometimes we get a little heat wave in March, which is perfect for the germination of them, and now that the days are longer and it's getting lighter, they won't grow leggy, they'll grow perfectly in the greenhouse. So you don't need to start them off indoors where they have a chance of getting leggy. Start them off in your unheated greenhouse. So first up are tomatoes. Now I'm starting all my tomatoes off. We've got 11 varieties this year, an absolute load of tomatoes. So it's going to be an exciting year down here at the polytunnel. Next up are peppers and chilies. If you've not started them, I started mine off in January. I did start them off at home, the only things that I did start. And yeah, get some sown and you can get them growing now. And again, aubergines, I started some off at home, but you can sow them still this month. Next up is cabbage. You need to look for the summer variety of cabbage. So perfectly timed to start them off in the greenhouse and then transplant them into separate pots when they're big enough. And then once the chance of frost is gone, move them outdoors into the ground. Same goes for cauliflower. Now I'm going to grow a few varieties. I'm going to grow some red cauliflower and some yellow cauliflower, different coloured varieties. Now I tried white ones and it didn't grow so well, and the red variety grew absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to grow that again this year, so watch out for that growing on my plot. Next up are leeks, another great variety, and you can harvest them all the way up to Christmas. So yeah, get sowing some leeks now for harvests all through summer into Christmas. Next up is lettuce. Again, this can be grown successionally. Sow some every few weeks or months, and you can be harvesting them all through the summer into autumn. Now the thing is with lettuce, you've got to be careful because they all seem to be ready at the same time, and they can go all to the seed at the same time, which means when they go out of formation and they go wild, and so yeah, you've got to pick them as they're ready or you'll end up losing the lot of them. Next up, at the end of March, not yet, at the end of March you can sow your courgettes, get them sown, and also your cucumbers. Now I'm going to be growing some cucumbers in the polytunnel this year. I have grown them outdoors before and they've done well actually, and that was the Market More variety. I've always had success with the Market More variety of cucumber, so if you're wanting a good crop, always try Market More, because I've always had good success with them. So yeah, it's an exciting month, everybody. It's time to get sowing, it's time to get growing, and make sure you follow along for all our videos. We're going to be doing loads of videos coming up now that we're sowing all our seeds into the springtime. And yeah, I hope you find it all useful. So hit that save button, hit that follow button, share this video to everybody, and until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.